channel. So today I'm doing a clean my room vlog, or not vlog, video. I'm not done one in forever, and I'm gonna do it because my room looks like a totally crazy mess. So let's get started. Make sure to like and subscribe and support on Facebook, share a video, and don't forget to some and down below. Bye. Let's get started. Let's go to my room. So I was watching TV, but I didn't watch it. So well, I clean. This is the before. Let me turn the camera right. This is the before. It looks terrible. We're not talking about it. It's gonna look good when it's done. So I'm going to do this and switch my background stuff and try to make my room look a little bit bigger because now I have a kennel here that is taking up most of my room. So I'm going to deal with this so I can move around my bed and see what I can do about the big old thing. So let's get started. So I cleaned my room and I picked up one floor too. I will pile it. I pile it here because that is going to the laundry room. I have two of my shoes, but that is all going to the laundry room. Putting washing. And now I'm going to start rearranging and figuring out what I'm gonna do. So let's go. And right now I'm watching Dex Moms while I focus on my room. My vision of my room is to put, this is my bed. I'm gonna move all this stuff, the crates, that, and push it over here to the side, or like to next to the bed. So I'm gonna push my bed this way. So it's gonna be probably like this way, or like this, probably like this, so I can see my feet. But I'm gonna push my bed like this, that way. So, yeah, let's do it. Pretty easy to get out of the way, but yeah, let's do this. And now I'm going to, so I'm on my bed. I have to take a breath a little bit. I'm tired. My body's been hurting, but I went to this, so I have to fix it. But I moved my bed. Now it's time to go with this, like, over here. So, yeah. Kind of, I hate not having my tripod. It's so long, but it's fine. Now I have to go this way, so I'm probably gonna put the crate. I'm gonna close it. So, I'm probably gonna put the crate. I'm going to put the crate right here in this area, and then do that over there. So, yeah, let's move the crate right here. Okay, so this is how it's going. The channels are right here. This is my desk, and then so that I'm donating all of that like from dogs or something. But that is right there. This is where my little thingy is. Don't mind it outside because it's really broken. Don't know why, but it is. And then I still have to figure out like where that's gonna go or something. So yeah, coming along. This is my bed. I'm gonna make it. And yeah, that's how it's going. And I'm just sleeping. And I might mop. Probably. I don't know. I haven't really decided on that. So this is my room now. There's right here. I haven't really switched my pillows, but yeah. Nice. I'm put the bed the wrong way. That's why it was like that, but we're not going to talk about that. Anyway, this is my bag. Please like this little like thing storage. This I'm gonna do it because that is all like decoration stuff. And then I have my clock, like a few this little side table, and yes, my little cube box thing. So this is the after. Woo! I did it. Wow, baby. After. Thank you. Okay, guys. So I finished my room. It's all good. Now that like Christmas is coming up and stuff, we have really 12 days until Christmas. That's crazy. But now that Christmas is coming up, my room's gonna look clean and stuff. And I'm so excited. So make sure to like and subscribe and support the Facebook, a reel, and if I make some, it'll get down below. And yeah, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to every one of you out there. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.